got to have a smile.
Yeah, I get terrible gas mileage, but I get awesome smiles per gallon.
Oh, I wouldn't doubt it. That's not bad.
That's like a cheap version of an RE71R. This is because I'm strapped in. No, I can do stuff like hit that latch or whack somebody that tries to reach in for my wallet. Yeah. It's got a magnet on this end.
Yeah, I was gonna say it. I was like, how do you reach? But okay. Hey, sorry.
No problem. Here, I can do it. Straight on.
Yep.
Straight on for you. This next section here is the good part.
Yeah. The Mormon kids were excited.
Yeah, the guy was rolling down his window. Like,
he's like, oh.
I hear have some gunshots.
That's if you want to get onto SR 500 or go straight and go to 205, and 205 will take you to what, 500.
Yeah, I want that 500 interchange. That's the Vantucky Oval.
Is that what that is?
That's what I named it.
That's what I love it. Okay. That's
Yeah, I mean, if it was round, it wouldn't be Vantucky, would it?
So you take this on the track and you do free rides and everything. You don't charge anybody, nothing.
No, I'm just spreading the joy, bro. Hopefully the track's open down here.
I was gonna say I think it is. I know Thursdays they do the
Oh no, I mean the oval.
The old wait, they have an oval?
The Vantucky. The Vantucky Oval? It's this interchange.
Yeah, oh, okay. Oh, man.
So that's what the car does.
Oh, fuck, that's fun. Holy shit. The oval. Oh, thank God you.
My tires are getting old. They're not so grippy these days.
Oh, oh man, I definitely need to go on track day with you.
What's that?
I definitely need to go on track day with you.
Yeah, because then we can let loose.
Holy moly. Mom was like, you're riding with him, a random stranger. I was like, he's got a cool car, Mom. It doesn't matter. There's no candy. She's like, well, oh, wait. If there's no candy, I don't care.
Raw dog and randos out of the parking lot, Mom.
Raw dog and randos. Oh, that's good.